Everyone, welcome to Volta Electronics. Myself, Nisar Said, I am the CEO of the company. Let's get started with my presentation. Today, I'm going to introduce you my product, portable Bluetooth speaker by JBL. And let's come with the introduction. JBL Flip 4. It's a waterproof portable Bluetooth speaker. The speaker that derives powerful stereo sound up to 12 hours. That means we can have a backup of 12 hours playtime. And also this one is waterproof. So which we can dip in the water up to 5 meters. And this have best feature of noise cancellation and echo cancellation. And we can connect many of other JBL speakers with the technology called JBL Connect. There is a button on the JBL speaker. I will show you later. And the price comes from 7,999. It's the base price. There are many other portable speakers also. We are talking about this JBL Flip 4. The base price is starting from 8,000. Okay. Now we can say about the features of the speaker. It can be wirelessly connected up to two smartphones at a time. It also have a immersive stereo sound. Okay, it means we can connect two phones using the JBL connector at a time, and when we switch off one phone and it connects, it plays the music or something else we plays, and the other two. It is built with a 3000 mAh battery, which is lithium ion battery. It provides us 12 hours of battery. It is IPX7 waterproof, which means does not we don't need to worry about the rains or spills which will come on the speaker. On the JBL Connect Plus, it's what I said earlier. It can be connected all the speakers to a phone, so we can get a good sound with more speakers. And this one comes with noise and echo cancellation speakers. Okay, we can access Siri, the future that Apple's artificial intelligence, and also Google, provided by Google, by simply pressing the button. And the build material is fabric material. It's very durable, and rubber housing is used for the protection of the speaker. There are dual external passive radiator demonstrate powerful bass it get. It is located in the both side of the speaker. And the hardware. The hardware is Bluetooth support based on CSR 86 and specified by Qualcomm, and a class D amplifier capable up to 15 volt per channel. And there is a boost converter GSMP 9428, and the lithium charger, actually, and the passive rate is tuned up to 65 to 71 hertz. The speaker is available in 6 colors, mainly black, white, red, blue, gray, and a low bluish color one, like green, up to a green color. And there are many buttons, as you can see. The first button from the bottom we can is the power on button, and near to that it is the JBL Connect. And from the top line, last one is the Bluetooth button, another one is the volume decreasing this, and also the pause button you can see. And here is the quick start guide, you can see here. You can do the procedures as it shows there. And JBL Connect, I would like to explain about JBL Connect. What is JBL Connect? JBL Connect is it is one of the technology developed by JBL to connect more than one speakers to a phone. So we get a big sound system which is very grateful for us. So it's about my product, and you can have further reference at the site called www.jbl.com. Thank you. That's all. I'm winding up.